Who's gonna win? Okay, first of all, okay, we'll have a good day. Cut! Why is your Furby mix on the teeth? Boing! Ooh. Ouch! Oh, Furby Mick died. It's okay. Let's see what take 9. Editor, it goes out. Pineapple is so dumb. He is? Do you want else to sign me? Ice cream, exactly. I don't know, is it no, not about this. A word closet. I got an award. Oh, no, but don't shout. God, what does the Nulu have a teeth?